In our daily lives, rituals function as the bedrock upon which we build habits that empower us. Each morning signals a fresh canvas, ready to be painted with actions that shape our day. Imagine rising from your slumber as the first light peeks through your curtains, the scent of fresh coffee permeating the air, inviting you to embrace the promise of a new beginning. This simple ritual of waking and greeting the day becomes a powerful habit that fuels your journey forward. As the day unfolds, the act of setting intentions, perhaps pausing to breathe and reflect, enhances your focus and aligns your goals. Picture this moment, seated comfortably, eyes closed, with deep breaths that fill your lungs, channeling energy and clarity into your mind. These intentional pauses serve as anchors, grounding you amid the chaos of daily life. In practicing this ritual consistently, you cultivate resilience, reinforcing the resolve to push through challenges with renewed vigor. Throughout your day, harnessing the power of small, meaningful rituals is essential. Consider the act of gratitude before meals, a silent acknowledgement of nourishment and abundance. Visualize gathering with loved ones, hands joined, sharing what you appreciate most at that moment. This ritual of gratitude deepens connections and roots positivity in your life. By making this a habit, you create a nurturing environment sheltered from negativity and self-doubt. Evening rituals pave the way for deeper reflection and self-care. As twilight approaches, envision unwinding with a routine that encourages relaxation. A warm bath, soothing music, or journaling thoughts and reflections. These nightly practices not only nurture your well-being, but also help settle the mind, preparing you for restorative sleep. This cycle of rest and renewal becomes a cherished habit, allowing you to rise the next day with refreshed energy and purpose. Ultimately, the power of habit lies in the structure of these inspirational rituals. They weave strength and consistency into the fabric of your life. By mindfully choosing and cultivating these habits, you unlock latent potential within yourself. Like a beautifully intricate tapestry, the threads of your rituals create a life rich with purpose, resilience, and joy. Embrace the simplicity and power of these daily habits to inspire a journey towards the fulfillment of your true self.